What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Vechain, guys. Currently, we're sitting at 0.080. We're down about 6.8 on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 5.1 billion, 24-hour volume 306 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app and grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. So let's jump into VET, guys. So we broke down from this kind of like symmetrical triangle that we have here. So I will give you a breakdown target, bring you down to our next buy zone at 0.070. Our first entry here was 0.083. Now we also have a falling wedge pattern, as I was seeing with Matic as well. Gonna bring this up here, levels. So as you can see here, we have a falling wedge. We also have a bullish divergence. So you can see here, we created a low, we created a lower low, and we created a lower low once again, while creating higher lows on the 4-hour RSI, signifying to us that the bears may be running out of strength here. When you start to see the RSI rising while the price is falling, it's an early indicator that you're going to see a bounce and you're going to see a move back to the upside. It can be invalidated if there's swift sell-off and we come straight down on the RSI. But what this is showing us is that people are buying, whales, investors, traders, they're buying right now. They're buying. And as price is dropping, the relative strength is increasing, signifying to us that the bulls are starting to take back control. So here you can see it perfectly. See how we're creating lower lows? Look at the 4-hour RSI. We're creating higher lows, and then we saw a massive push to the upside. So it's an early indicator that the bulls are taking back control. There's some other things I want to show you guys here for Vechain. So here we are on the daily, guys. The RSI is in the floor. The MACD is in the floor. The Scotch RSI is in the floor. Check this out, guys. We're in the floor, in the floor, in the floor. Massive bounce to the upside. Look right here, guys. In the floor, RSI, MACD in the floor, Scotch RSI in the floor, massive move to the upside. People in my comment section, VET is dead, worst coin, stop spreading FUD. What are you talking about? It's going down, it's going to go to zero. Crypto doesn't work like that, guys. Check out this major correction we had over the months of May to August. Look at this, guys. We came down. What happened? We bounced back up to the upside. We came down, small little bounce. You could even ignore this one and say we came down, we came down, we came down. We bounced back up to the upside. We came down, correction, bounce back up to the upside. If you look at coins that have already gone through bull cycles and bear markets, look at Cardano, look at XRP. Go back to the 2017, 2018 bull run. And when we started to enter a bear market, what happens, guys? We sell off, we bounce back to the upside. We sell off once again, we bounce back to the upside. We sell off, we bounce back to the upside. You never just go straight down. It never happens. And you never just go straight up. Of course, you have massive pumps and you have massive dumps, but it works in waveforms. And that's why this dollar cost average strategy is so effective. So do keep an eye on it, guys. We should see a bounce relatively soon. If anything, we start to trickle down to our wick here, coming in about 0.067, and we see a massive move back to the upside. As we can see here for Vechain, our next buy zone lines up with the bottom of our wick here at 0.070. So if we come down, we hit that second buy zone, your average price is going to be sitting about 0.075, and you're ready to ride the slingshot back up. I'm right here with you. I'm low leverage trading Vechain on 2x leverage. I'll throw it up on the screen on Bybit. If you want to learn leverage trading, they also have spot trading available. I trade spot on there as well. Highly recommend it. $4,100 in bonuses as of right now. So a lot of bullish signs of reversal, guys, just as we saw right here. We are selling off, but we had a bullish divergence on the RSI and we broke out back to the upside. Once again, we're slowly selling off. We're seeing that bullish divergence on the RSI. So I would anticipate a nice move back to the upside relatively soon for VET. I know you guys watch these videos and you say, Jackson, you're showing us these bullish signals, but we haven't seen our bounce yet. You have to be patient, guys. It takes time. Even if we come down to 0.070, that's perfectly fine. We get more money into our trade. We bring our average price down, and we're ready for the big bounce back to the upside. Because even if we were to go into a bear market, guys, it's not going to go straight down. We come down, we bounce, we fail to create a higher high, and we come further down, right? And when we're coming down, we're dollar cost averaging, we sell in profits, and then we start to come down again. We start dollar cost averaging, we bounce, we sell in profits, and we rinse and repeat. So that's basically it for VET. If we look at Bitcoin, I was mentioning this in my Matic video, the longs are increasing. We're currently consolidating. We're currently selling off a little bit here for Bitcoin, Well, we're seeing long positions start to increase. Whales are accumulating. Retail investors are accumulating. Their dollar cost averaging, which is also another signal that you're going to see a bounce back to the upside. So we'll finish off the video with our bull run targets. For Vechain, based off our Elliott wave theory and our Fibonacci, let me open this up. We have the 1.618 extension here at 0.090, the 2 at 188, the 2.272 at 315. But 90 to 188 is a more reasonable target for this bull run. If we now Vechain were to do a little bit of something like this, where we bounce back to the upside, we roll over and we start to lose this low right here, that's bearish. It would signify that we're going into a bear market, or at least a very, very steep correction. Sorry guys, my chart just kind of switched over there. But as of right now, we're just creating a strong level of support and we're looking for that bounce. If we come up and we break this high, then we're good to go for continuation on our bull run. All right guys, so that's it for Vechain. Shout out to the Discord. You can have access to these charts at all times, the DCA charts as well as the trade strategy. Also over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Some awesome members in here posting TA, and you can sign up through the Discord, price of a coffee. All right, much love. Take care.